time for NHK World Japan's Easy Japanese. I'm Eriko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. Let's have fun learning Japanese together. Today, lesson 35 on expressing what you're going to do or what you've done in order. Tam, a student from Vietnam, and her friend Ayaka are heading to Hakone, a popular tourist spot not far from Tokyo. On the train, they are discussing what to do after they get there.
Listen to the skit for lesson 35.
箱根には1時に着くよ。タムは何がしたい？
大涌谷に行って黒卵が食べたいです。彩香さん、卵は本当に黒いんですか？
うん。でもね、黒いのは外側だけ。中は普通のゆで卵。
へえ。
Now let's go over the skit line by line.
Ayaka says to Tam,
箱根には1時に着くよ。
We'll arrive at Hakone at 1 o'clock.
タムは何がしたい？
Tam, what do you want to do?
Tam replies,
大涌谷に行って黒卵が食べたいです。
I want to go to Owakudani and then eat a black egg.
彩香さん、卵は本当に黒いんですか？
Ayaka-san, are the eggs really black?
Ayaka answers,
うん。でもね、黒いのは外側だけ。
Yes, but only on the outside.
中は普通のゆで卵。
The inside is an ordinary boiled egg.
Tam looks surprised.
へえ。
Oh.
Owakudani is a place where a volcano collapsed a long time ago. Even now, fumes continue to spew out. The black eggs are boiled in the hot spring. A component in the water changes the color of the shells. Today's key phrase is, I want to go to Owakudani and then eat a black egg.
大涌谷に行って黒卵が食べたいです。
If you remember this pattern, you'll be able to say 2 or more actions in sequence.
Let's go over the meaning. Owakudani is the name of a place. The particle ni that follows indicates it's a destination. Itte is the verb to go, iku, in the te form.
The te form of a verb is the form that ends in te or de, right?
Yes, exactly. Kurotamago means black egg. Tabetai is the verb to eat, taberu, in the form of tai, indicating desire. Today's point. When mentioning 2 or more actions in sequence, connect them by using the te form of a verb. In the skit, Tam is first going to Owakudani, so she uses the verb to go, iku, in the te form, which is itte, and says Owakudani ni itte, meaning go to Owakudani. After that, she connects it with I want to eat a black egg. 黒卵が食べたいです, making it into one sentence.
Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat.
大涌谷に行って大涌谷に行って黒卵が食べたいです。
Listen to a conversation about what someone did, in order. 2 tourists are talking at the hot spring of a ryokan inn.
今日はどこに行きましたか？美術館に行ってご飯を食べて、それから遊覧船に乗りました。
Here's what it means.
今日はどこに行きましたか？
Where did you go today?
今日 is today, and どこに means to where. 行きました is the polite past form of the verb 行く to go.
美術館に行ってご飯を食べて、それから遊覧船に乗りました。
I went to an art museum, had a meal, and then took a sightseeing cruise.
3 actions are mentioned in one sentence in the order in which they occurred. 美術館に行く go to an art museum, ご飯を食べる have a meal, and 遊覧船に乗る get on a sightseeing cruise. 行く in the te form is itte, and 食べる in the te form is 食べて. それから is a conjunction meaning and then. The end of the sentence becomes past tense, 乗りました got on, because the action has been completed.
Try saying it part by part.
美術館に行って美術館に行ってご飯を食べて美術館に行ってご飯を食べてそれから遊覧船に乗りました。
It's time for Step Up. Today we'll study how to say the time. Ayaka said they'd arrive in Hakone at ichiji, 1 o'clock. When you want to say the time, add ji after a number.
Let's try saying 1 to 12 o'clock. Note that the pronunciations for 4, 7, and 9 o'clock are a bit different from usual.
1 o'clock.
1時
2 o'clock.
2時
3 o'clock.
3時
4 o'clock.
4時
5 o'clock.
5時
6 o'clock.
6時
7 o'clock.
7時
8 o'clock.
8時
9 o'clock.
9時
10 o'clock.
10時
11 o'clock.
11時
12 o'clock.
12時
When you want to express minutes, say 分 or 分, meaning minutes after a number, just as in the case of hours you learned in lesson 33.
Okay, listen to the skit once again.
箱根には1時に着くよ。タムは何がしたい？
大涌谷に行って黒卵が食べたいです。彩香さん、卵は本当に黒いんですか？
うん。でもね、黒いのは外側だけ。中は普通のゆで卵。
へえ。
ミーヤーのトラベルガイド
Next up, Mia's travel guide, this time featuring Hakone.
Hakone is a scenic tourist spot in the mountains, about an hour and a half from Tokyo. We heard about Owakudani in the skit, but the area has many more attractions, including the Hakone checkpoint. During the Edo era, Hakone used to be an important checkpoint. Every autumn, many tourists flock to watch a recreation of a feudal lore procession of that era.
When I think of Hakone, the hot springs are what come to mind.
Of course. Visitors love spending the night at hotels and Japanese inns called ryokan, soaking in the hot springs. There are the mountain train, Lake Ashinoko, and art museums. And if the weather is good, you can enjoy a grand view of Mount Fuji. We hope you enjoyed today's Easy Japanese.
Please join us again next time.